Hello everyone! Today I would like to show you the second episode of my Devlog series, documenting the development of my hack and slash RPG project. Unfortunately, I haven't much time to code over the past few weeks, but still I managed to make some solid progress, so let's jump in. At first, I create a player stats manager, a script responsible for collecting and calculating the player stats for multiple sources. It's a core part of the system because it's tied directly into what I add next. The link with a Git will be in the description below, if you want. Right, let's back to our game. I add leveling system target with a skill tree. Right now, skill tree lets you unlock both passive perks and active abilities. For the explain, at the beginning you can only pick firebar, and after you get level up, we can spend our point to White Nova, and it become available. We can also spend our powers on the passive abilities that increase our stats. Our health and is increased. Most of the skill tree is built using script view objects, so it's very easy to explain and modify in the future. You can add new node, very easy. Choose requirement for this node. I think this node maybe. And description of the shark data. And script objects look just like that. Park name, icon, description, skill to unlocked, effect if you add some bonuses, and value. Next up, I work on the item system. Dryzhak skill tree is built using scriptive objects, which make it easy to manage and expand. I add few important features. Item rarity determines how many modifiers an item can have. The higher rarity, the more mods it can roll. Each item also has one implicit modifier. This is a fixed stat that always applies to the item type. And we have prefixes and suffixes, which are random modifiers. The numbers modified depend on the item rarity. All possible prefixes and suffixes manage to modify database, which looks up available mods from the collection of scriptive objects, make it really easy to organize, balance, explain to the later on. Once an item is equipped, all its bonuses are sent to the inventory manager and then passed to the player stats manager, where they are affected to the character stats. Let's see how it looks in practice. We can kill some enemies and they drop some items. And as we can see, implicit item, name of item, description, rarity, and all bonuses. We pick up and then we equip that item, another, and we are faster and have more HP. I also improve our simple minion state machine. Now they can also attack enemy and have some animation. We have 3 types like now. Wolf, spider, and ram. Like now I give them all Cliff attack by, they are flexible like enemy, and I can easily change the attack type of our minions. As you can see before, I fixed issues with attack speed, cast speed and cooldown. They now work as intended. However, I haven't added UI element displaying those stats yet. This is planned for the next devlog. Oh, I can spam too much with our fireball and other skills and attacks. Besides that, I fixed some minor bugs, I did some light work on level art and level design. I also add some minor scripts like randomly scale tree and other object scale and other stuff like that. So let's make our golden path to see how its game looks in this state. Oh, some issue I see here to fix. That's it for today. As you can see, this devlog was most focusing on the building a core system and mechanic behind the scene. My goal for the next devlog is to finalize the game skeleton and move to the more visual and expanding updates. If you're interested in script behind the system, you will find a link to my GitHub in the video description. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day and enjoy your coffee.